Hi, fellow traders. I had explained the buy trade setup on AUD USD few days ago, and that was based on this pattern, the under formation butterfly. So we were into buy position. Target of our buy position has been hit by the market today, and we have successfully made profit. But now is the time to go for the sell position and make some profit in the sell position as well, because butterfly is supposed to be a reversal pattern. Even if it doesn't work as the full reversal pattern, it can at least cause a 30% retracement against this whole move up from this point to this point. At the same time, ABCD is also a reversal pattern, and if it doesn't cause an absolute reversal, at least there should be a downward retracement. So if we look at our chart, which I had explained during illustration of the buy trade setup, I told that this A, B, C, and D 161 point extension target, and the very recent A, B, C, and D 100% target, and this butterfly, that is 161.8% extension to the upside of this retracement, are coinciding at the same level, and this area has been hit, and this area is a resistance cluster. So now is the time to enter sell position, and we will go to 1 hour time frame to understand the price action, and we will try to see whether or not the price is reacting from this level. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. We'll look at this current candle. This current candle seems to be a shooting star. If price will close slightly below the opening price, or even at the opening price, this will be a perfect shooting star. A shooting star is supposed to be perfect with such kind of high tail to the upside, and with a very small or negligible real body, and it is very efficient if the price closes below the opening price, or at the opening price, but not above the opening price, which proves that the seller came into the market, and seller put the pressure, and they won by the end of the hour. That's why the price closed below the opening price. So that is the concept, and here we will enter our sell position, and we will take our target at the 30% retracement of the whole move up. So let's plot the Fibonacci 2, and before we plot the Fibonacci 2, let's go to the daily time frame. So the target of our sell trade will be minimum 30% retracement against this whole move up. So let me plot this Fibonacci to measure this 30% retracement level from this point to today's top. So I'll right click on this, and I'll just remove other labels because we do not need other labels now. I'll just show you the 30% target. Alright, so our target will be 69.10 area plus added spread, so it can be 69.11 or 69.12. Now let's go to 1 hour time frame. Before I go to 1 hour time frame, let me make this Fibonacci visible even on the 1 hour time frame. Alright, it's already visible there. So now let's check what is our risk reward. So our risk reward for this trade is very good, because we will just look for a closer of the daily candle. We're not going to place a stop loss right now. Rather, we should look for the daily closer. If price goes up and the daily candle closes above this high, then we should exit the position. Otherwise, we should hold on to the position until our target at this 30% level 69.10 is hit. Be careful today, because the market today will react in very different kind of manner, because this is the holiday season, and generally you will see that the spreads are widened in the last 1 hour or 2 hour of the market. So sometimes you will see a temporary price which is not the real closing price. So I suggest you to take the mid market price. If you see the biggest spread between bid and ask, then just take the median of the bid and ask and compare whether this median is above this previous high or not. So this is how we'll try to understand if price is closing above this high or not. This is already 6:59, 1 minute remaining in this closure of the candle. So right now it's not looking like a perfect shooting star, because this small body is looking bullish. So I'll wait for further confirmation if price starts to fall. So we need to go to half an hour time frame to understand if price is giving us further confirmation of fall or not. The price action in the last half an hour couldn't engulf the previous bullish candle of half an hour, although it penetrated below the low of this but couldn't close below it. So we need more confirmation. So let's enter our sell position when it goes below this candle. So right now price is right here. Just look for your entry opportunity. This is going to be a live trade, and as soon as price penetrates below this low and goes beyond 1 pip, low of this candle is 69,661. So we simply can set our sell stop order at 69,651. So this is how we are going to enter this sell position and trade this butterfly now in sell side. So that's all about this short position setup. Thanks for watching. And before I post this, I will just connect the link of last AUD USD video, so that you can relate with our previous analysis in which I had discussed about this underformation butterfly. Thank you. Bye bye.